May I come in? I have made coffee for everybody. Has someone seen that I have kept a cup of coffee? If you need anything else, tell me right now, as I have to arrange a lot of things for veneration. We will worship the Lord in the evening. Is there something wrong? What has happened? Why don't you speak? Has Mithai made any mistakes? Please tell me. Mithai will settle everything.
Mithai doesn't have to do anything. But I know what I have to do.
What did he say? I hope he didn't take his sister's words seriously. I hope he's not thinking about that. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Please see that this doesn't lead to any problems. Please help.
I've seen the email shown. Sid is going to Singapore for a long time. Believe me, he's going. And this is the best opportunity for us to throw Mithai out of Sid's life and the entire Modak family.
Torsha, hold on. Don't be excited. What did you say? Where is Siddharth going? He didn't inform anybody in the family. Torsha, I think you're making a mistake.
No, Shom, I'm not making any mistakes. Sid has got a lucrative offer from Singapore. He thought he would refuse this offer, but later he changed his decision. This is the best opportunity for us. The boss has informed me personally that he's going. In fact, he has sent me a mail. You will believe me after you see the mail. Wait. Take a look.
Strange. He didn't inform anybody in the family. Why did Siddharth decide to go abroad suddenly?
Shom, please focus. Please focus, I say. We'll think about it later that why Sid is going abroad. But first we must concentrate on a plan to get rid of Mithai. Nobody can harm Mithai as long as Sid is here. If Sid isn't here, then Mithai won't be able to save herself. So Shom, this is the best opportunity for us. And I will make the plan this time. Listen to me carefully. I have joined hands with Agrawal.
What? Torsha, again? After the ruckus Aditya Agrawal created at PCG party, how could you trust him? He's not at all reliable. He'll blurt out everything when he loses his temper.
Shom. Look, I have to take Aditya Agrawal's help. Because we need a lot of evidence against Mithai so that she's not able to get away this time.
What will you do? Tell me your plan.
The base kitchen of Siddheshwar Modak. The place where Mithai rules. A dangerous fire will break out there. And Mithai will be responsible for this tragedy. She will be arrested by the police for this crime. And with Mom's help, I will make sure that Mithai doesn't get bail.
And how will you execute this plan? There should be a limitation to your imagination.
This is not just my imagination. Aditya Agrawal has given me the reference of a man who executes anything illegal. We won't be meeting him, but he'll do our job easily. And Aditya Agrawal will help us. We will have to trap Mithai in such a way that she fails to escape. Shom, what are you staring at?
Tosha, don't you think this is too risky? It is a crime, a heinous crime, isn't it?
Shom, I was not like this before. Mithai has forced me to choose this option. She has forced me. Sid now holds Mithai's hands before me. He dances with her. I can't sleep at night, you know. I'm a business school pass out. I work with a big corporate like PCG. How can I let a girl who makes sweets defeat me? And what's wrong with you? What happens to you at times? Don't you want to ruin Siddheshwar Modak's business? Then we have to do this show. We must do this.
What happened? Tell me, what are you praying for? I have only one wish. I want Mithai and Siddharth to unite forever. I have pledged that if they settle down happily together, I'll go to Gurudev's hermitage. And there I will organize a grand veneration.
Oh, Mother. Nanda has planned something for this evening. I feel that your wish will come true today.
Really? Is that true? Hey, listen, did you hear that?
Yes, I heard her. I heard everything. I know my grandson very well, Sushma. It's very difficult to understand what's going on in his mind. So I can't be as happy as all of you, Sushma.
Time to sprinkle the holy water. Please call everyone.
Mithai, go and call Siddharth. Nanda and others haven't come home yet.
Mother, they'll come. Tell the priest to keep aside the holy water in a bottle. I'll sprinkle it on them when they come home. Everybody will get blessings today. Don't worry. Oh, Mother, try to be modern. Your grandchildren belong to this generation. You have to keep up pace with them. Right, Father? What, Mithai, isn't it? Hey, Mithai. Why are you standing quietly?
What?
Mother told you to call Siddharth. Go.
Yes. I'm going.
Yes.
Going.
Listen,
Yes.
what's wrong with Mithai? Why is she so silent?
Father, I told you that Nanda and the others had planned something for the evening. I think Mithai must have heard their plan. I am sure that Lord will definitely fulfill Mithai's wish.
Okay, tell me, what shall I do? You want me to take the blessings of the holy flame, right? You want me to take the blessings of the holy flame, right?
Oof, grandfather, tell your grandson that staying in his room all the time is not enough. The priest is going to sprinkle holy water. Oh, holy water. Grandfather, tell the priest to pour a good amount of water on your short-tempered grandson. It's cool him down. He's always so angry.
Keep quiet, Mithai. Who told you to talk so much? Okay, what do I have to do? Tell me.
What do you have to do? You have to sit down. What else?
Hey, keep quiet. Father, did you notice something? She was standing quietly till now. She started talking the moment Siddharth came here. Stop quarreling. You're in the temple of the house. Sit down for the holy water.
I didn't start this, okay? Ask her to stop. Please ask her to stop. Please. Do not say a word. Quiet. Just keep quiet. Everyone's waiting.
Grandfather, who started the argument?
My grandson. That's what I heard. Hail the Lord. I want peace and not war. Sprinkle the holy water.
What? Why are you staring at me? You know so much and you don't know that you need to cover your feet when the holy water is sprinkled?
How will he know? He's westernized, but he's learning Bengali culture slowly, right? Priest, sprinkle the holy water.
Yes.
Grandpa? Grandpa, I want to say I'll leave for Singapore tomorrow evening for an office project.
Singapore? All of a sudden? You didn't inform me before?
Actually, Grandpa, I got the email just a while ago. There was a veneration at home and you all were busy, so
For how long do you have to stay there?
I don't know yet. Let me reach there at least.
Have you told Mithai, Siddharth?
Aunt, I didn't get a chance to tell you all. When will I tell her?
Okay, why are you all so upset with this news, Grandpa? No, I mean, Sid can go out for official work. Why do you have to be so upset? She's right. Listen, Brother Sid, did you go to Singapore before?
I didn't go to Singapore. I went to other countries, but that's not important, Neepa. There was a veneration going on. Where were all of you? Nobody was around.
Oh Lord, he's creating pressure on us now. Sid, you are never at home on any special occasion. We went out for some important work. Come here. I need to talk to you. Come. Mithai, are you upset because my brother is going abroad? Don't feel bad. We have a surprise for you. Wait for it.
What's wrong with both of you? Why are you so upset? What's wrong, father?
Well, we are upset because. No, I'm sure the Lord has planned this for our well being. Actually, our grandson will go far away.
Yes, we will feel lonely without him.
Oh, mother. What are you doing? This is not the first time he's going abroad. He went abroad before.
No, actually, there's a difference between the present Siddharth and the old one. Let's go to our room. Mithai will bring the oblation.
Father, let's go.
Mithai?
Okay,
Has Mithai made any mistake? Please tell me. Mithai will settle everything.
Mithai doesn't have to do anything. I know what I have to do.
come here.
Hey, where are you taking me?
Come.
At least tell me what happened.
Listen,
Tell me.
Sid. We will bring Mithai upstairs. Siddharth, take a look at this and tell me how is it. Do you like it or not?
What? What is all this, Shri? Hey, Nanda, what are you guys doing?
Nanda, everything is ready.
Ready? What do you mean ready? No, I mean, what's going on over here? I'm not understanding. Hey, Rudy,
Yes?
you two joined their gang or what?
Yeah, what can I do, A brother has to do this much for his sister.
Listen, Sid, do you know how to propose properly? No, I mean, this is the first time such an opportunity is coming into Bitter God's life. I mean,
That's quite disgusting, Ratul. What's this drama? I'm unable to understand anything. Please explain this to me.
Why are you calling this drama, brother? You would need to propose. How else will Mithai understand that you have accepted her?
Oh my. Nipa's quite daring. Teaching brother Sid that too about love.
I'm not teaching him. Mithai does not even know that her relationship with Siddharth is real. This is not a game. If brother doesn't even tell Mithai this, how else will she understand? And you do need to explain it. Right, Rudra?
So, Rudra, speak up. Come on, tell me, what is Nipa saying? No, recently I'm seeing that whenever Nipa speaks of love, she always mentions Rudra. Good. That's why I said, I don't want to be a part of their gang or I'll go crazy.
Sid, don't get me to open my mouth. You will be in trouble. Okay?
Meaning? What trouble? What has Siddharth done? Siddharth, what's the secret? What? What secret? You guys get into such stupid discussions, man. Listen, Sid. We will bring Mithai upstairs. You will put the ring on Mithai and say, Mithai, I can't live without you. All this stupidity of 1 month challenge is over. Now we are truly husband and wife. You want to spend your whole life together. Did you get it?
Okay, well, tell me, is this any film or what? No, what are you saying? I don't like it at all, you know it. And I will put this ring and tell her all this.
Who else will he say this to? As far as I know, you're married to Mithai.
Correct. Listen, Ratul. I have seen very few people as shy as Sid on this earth. He is actually scared of the proposal. He's hesitating actually, you understand? Ratul, you better do one thing. You better show him an example and say what he should say and how. Or else the whole matter will be a failure and our project will be a failure too.
Exactly, Ratul. You better show him.
Damn. Rudra could have shown it himself. Why are you all considering Ratul the professor of love all of a sudden? Had Rajiv been here, he could have shown it to all of you.
So only my brother knows how to be a husband. Nanda, do you believe the same? Well, this is just a proposal to stay as a wife.
No,
That's it.
you're not getting it, Ratul. My sister already had these assumptions. You don't have to worry about that. You rather do one thing. You
Okay.
teach me. At least I will learn. Who knows? If I ever need to propose to someone in a filmy style, you never know. And also, Shri will like it, right?
Sid, you are going to propose to Mithai today. So please forget about that someday.
Hmm.
Okay? I'll show you how to propose. Let me show you with a ring. Shri, give me your ring.
Why, Ratul? No.
Hey, come on, give it to me, please.
Oh, really? Just empty talks, Shri.
Well,
Nanda, there's no need for this. Please let it be.
Here, Ratul.
thank you, Nanda. Sid, look here properly. You
Okay.
need to bend your knees. It might hurt a bit, but that's okay. Eye to eye contact, hand in hand, and
What are you doing, Ratul? In front of everyone.
what happened? I'm enacting it, just acting. Please cooperate. After all, we are working so hard for your Rakhi gift, right? Sid, follow me. And the final step,